name's Teacher Susan and welcome to one of the Cambly learning videos. Today I'm going to help you with how to pronounce the ED ending words. So let's take a look. There are 3 ways to end a word with ED. It's pronounced either ID, like in needed, needed, or D, like in loved, loved, or T, like in stopped. So, how do we know which words to make which sound? Well, let's take a look at the theory. The past simple tense and the past participle of all regular verbs end in ed. Rule 1. If the verb has a D or a T before the ed, you pronounce the ed as ID. If it doesn't, don't add the extra syllable. So, start becomes started. Be careful. It's the sound, not the letter. So another example is decided. Decide ends with an E, but we don't pronounce that E. So it's decided. Here are a few more examples. Admitted. Admitted. Wanted. Wanted. Tasted. Tasted. Intended. Intended. Rule 2. If the word before ed ends with a P, F, S, CH, SH, or K, the end sound is a T. So, like looked. Here's a few more examples. Stopped. Laughed. Promised. Watched. Finished. And worked. For all other words that end in ed, the sound is a D. So, tried. Here's a few more examples. Allowed. Cried. Enjoyed. Cleaned. Imagined. And rained. Here's a little quiz for you. I'm going to read another 10 words. Have a listen. See if you can guess how they should be ended, what sound you can hear, and see if you can work that with the theory and put it together. So, let's try. 1. Washed. 2. Played. 3. Begged. 4. Aged. 5. Wicked. 6. voiced. 7, painted. 8, recommended. 9, tested. And 10, cooked. Did you get those sounds? I hope so. Well, that's a short introduction into how to pronounce those tricky ed ending words. If you'd like to join me in a class, I work for Cambly 6 days a week, so click the link. And if you don't know about Cambly, it's an amazing platform. It operates 24 hours a day, all around the world, across all different time zones. So you can connect with a native English speaker at any time that suits you.